What's up, everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. I'm your host, and today, we're talking about something super important in the world of AI, security. Specifically, we're diving deep into the security of speech-to-text technology. Now, if you're like me, you're using voice assistants, dictating messages, and maybe even interacting with customer service bots using your voice. But have you ever stopped to think about where that voice data goes and how secure it actually is? That's exactly what we're going to uncover today. Think about it. Every time you ask Siri to set a reminder or tell Alexa to play your favorite song, your voice data is being transmitted and processed. But what happens to that data? Is it stored somewhere? Who has access to it? These are crucial questions we need to be asking. And it's not just our smartphones. The Internet of Things is exploding, with smart speakers, smart home devices, and even smart cars relying heavily on voice commands. All this voice data creates a goldmine of information, but it also presents a tempting target for hackers and malicious actors. We've all seen the headlines about data breaches and privacy scandals. It seems like every other week, a major company is announcing that sensitive user information has been compromised. And with the rise of voice data, the stakes are higher than ever. So, the big question is, how can we ensure the security and privacy of our voice data in this rapidly evolving technological landscape? Well, the good news is that there are steps companies can take to mitigate these risks and protect your information. One crucial security measure is encryption. Encryption basically scrambles your voice data, making it unreadable to anyone without the decryption key. Think of it like sending a secret message in a coded language that only the intended recipient can decipher. Another important aspect is secure data storage. Companies need to store your voice data in highly secure data centers with robust physical and digital security measures in place. These data centers should be designed to withstand natural disasters, power outages, and unauthorized access attempts. And remember, access to this data should be strictly limited to authorized personnel only. And here's a crucial point. Companies should only collect and store the absolute minimum amount of voice data necessary for their services to function properly. In other words, they should be practicing data minimization. Whenever possible, they should also anonymize your data, removing any personally identifiable information that could be used to link the data back to you. But it's not just about technical measures. Transparency is key. Companies need to be upfront about their data collection and usage practices. They should have clear, concise, and easily understandable privacy policies that outline what data they collect, how they use it, and who they share it with. And if you're ever unsure about a company's security practices, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service team. They should be able to answer your questions and address any concerns you might have. Now, I want to take a moment to highlight a company that's doing a great job in the area of secure speech-to-text technology, Assembly AI. This company is fully committed to data security and privacy, and they've implemented some really impressive measures to protect their users' information. For example, they delete voice data as soon as it's no longer needed. They offer end-to-end encryption for all data in transit and at rest, and they're fully compliant with industry standards and regulations. But don't just take my word for it. Head over to their website and check out their detailed security documentation. They're completely transparent about their security practices, and they're constantly working to improve their safeguards. And here's something really cool. Assembly AI offers developers powerful APIs to integrate their speech-to-text technology into a wide range of applications. If you're a developer, I highly recommend checking out their platform. They have comprehensive documentation, helpful tutorials, and a supportive community to help you get started. The possibilities are endless with speech-to-text technology. From transcription services and voice assistants to accessibility features and customer service bots, this technology is transforming the way we interact with the world around us. But as we embrace these advancements, we must also prioritize security and privacy. Before you use any speech-to-text service, here are a few key questions to ask. What data do you collect? How is my data stored and protected? Who has access to my data? Do you share my data with third parties? Do you have a clear and concise privacy policy? By asking these questions, you can make informed decisions about who you entrust with your voice data. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this deep dive into AI speech-to-text security helpful. Remember, your voice data is valuable, so make sure you're protecting it. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comments section below. I'm working hard to make this channel a valuable resource for all things AI, so your feedback is incredibly important to me. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more AI-related content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.